Howdy y'all, I recently picked up a black and white television digital alarm clock, and I have a fun little idea I want to use for this. I would like to put this in my kitchen and just have it be playing my episodes of King of the Hill on loop. So whenever I kind of go in, I could just flip it on and then boom, just there'll be a random episode of King of the Hill playing like it was on cable or something. I've seen a couple ways I can do this, and I'm going to go with this Raspberry Pi solution that I have in mind. But first I need to rip all these DVDs and get that image onto my micro SD card. So this is actually my third time flashing this micro SD card. My original idea was I was just going to use the most recent version of Raspberry Pi OS, but the Video Looper program uses a player that really isn't supported anymore. So I tried using the last most recent image of Raspberry Pi OS that would be supported. But then I kind of ran into some issues trying to get the thing ready, and that's when I found out that there is just a pre-made image with this program on it. So I downloaded that from videolooper.de, and I'm just gonna go with that. So let's see what happens when I just power it on. Oh, there we go. And it just goes straight to that. Well, let's see if it works. Ooh, there we go. All right, cool. It sees it immediately. So now that we know that this is working, let's see if we can get it on the CRT. Okay, so we're just gonna need to get the TV plugged in. And this particular TV has its input set to RF. So we got this external antenna thing we're just gonna plug in right there. That goes to this RF modulator. And in order to get the thing working with the Pi, we're gonna plug in this RCA to, well, it's a 3.5 millimeter jack. It's basically used for like camcorders and stuff. In there. Guess now all that's left is to turn it on. See what happens. Okay, ignore the time for right now. Oh, it's doing something. Oh, I can hear the theme song. Do I need to tune it a little bit? Oh, it's so close. I can see Hank. I can kind of see Hank. I mean, I can hear him. And you can kind of see Hank and Bobby. It's not liking that. So what if I just try converting the HDMI adapter to adapter? Oh, that's showing up a little bit better. So it was just a problem with the analog video. Oh, it was probably because it was outputting in PAL. That might have been the problem. So I might just have to do HDMI to RCA to RCA to RF. Let's restart the thing and then try it again. It's loading. Does take a bit to load for the first time. But I mean, the idea is to just kind of like leave this always on and then turn on and off the TV whenever I want to watch it. Oh, it's working. Well, there's no sound, but we got the video working. Oh, there's the sound. And there we go. Now I can kind of see him. It's nice to see that it's working. It would have been nice to have a color one, but you know, black and white's fine. Now all that's left is for me to go put this in the kitchen, and I'll have a little nice TV to have in my kitchen while I do dishes and stuff. But that's gonna be it for now. So long, y'all.